guys, Steve Wolbach, your friendly public adjuster. I'm going to do another reading from the policy to give you some idea of the language and what policies have. Now, these limits I'm going to mention vary. This is this specific company's policy for this coverage. This is not by any means overall catch-all that everyone's is the same like that, okay? So just remember that. All right, so let's get started. This is under personal property, and it's special limits of liability, all right? $200 on money, coins, metals, including any of these that are part of a collection, and banknotes. It's the maximum they're going to pay, up to $200. All right, $1,500 on property used or intended for use in a business, including merchandise held as samples or for sale or for delivery after sale while on the resident's premises. This coverage is limited to $750 on such property away from the resident's premises. So roughly we cut that in half, right? It's $1,500 if you have these items and they ended up, you suffer a loss with these. Let's see, $1,000 on securities, checks, cashier's checks, traveler's checks, money orders, gift certificates, gift cards, rechargeable debit cards, phone cards, or other negotiable instruments, accounts, deeds, evidence of debt, letters of credit. It goes on and on and on, doesn't it? Oh, wait, here, don't forget this. Letters of credit, note other than banknotes, manuscripts, passports, and tickets. So this, they will pay up to $1,000 on those other items there, okay? $1,500 on watercraft, all types, outboard motors, including their trailers, furnishings, and equipment. So the basic policy, if you have a boat and that gets damaged, the normal policy is only going to cover you for $1,500. $1,500 on trailers not used with watercraft. So if you have a trailer that you're pulling around and it ends up getting damaged, the maximum they're going to cover you for is $1,500. $2,500 on stamps, trading cards, comic books, including any of these that are part of a collection. So $2,500 maximum you'll get. I mean, some of these things could be extremely valuable, but they're going to pay the maximum at $2,500. $2,500 for loss by theft of firearms, okay, your gun collection. $2,500 for loss of theft of silverware and goldware. $5,000 on electrical data processing systems equipment, but not limited to mobile personal communication equipment. And this goes on and on. So you see, the insurance company says they're going to cover your items in the event that you have a loss. Again, depending on the type of policy you have. This is not universal. This is not, everyone has this. This specific policy has these limits. And with these limits, you're going to be out of luck if you have some issues, because most of what this is going to pay is not going to cover the dollar value that you're actually going to lose in this situation here. So this is where it's important to make sure that if you have really something valuable, if you have an excessive gun collection, if you have jewelry and there's a necklace that's $14,000 itself, we really need to get something taken care of. This would only go up pay $1,500, right? So you need to get this addressed and make sure that you're going to have adequate coverage. There's where getting a public adjuster involved can help you. Having a public adjuster come when you have suffered a loss to take a look at things. This is the language in your policy that you are not reading. This can come back to haunt you at a later date. Guys, listen to what this is. This is very important. This is protecting your home. I'm trying to give good information out to you guys. If you ever have a situation where you think you might need some help, you think you've suffered damage, if you're currently going through damage, reach out to me. Let's talk about it. Let's see how I can help you or not help you. Guys, I hope that you learned something from this. I hope that you'll share this with others and let it sink in let it roll around a little bit and mull it over. I appreciate you watching this thing. Guys, go out there and have a beautiful day. God bless.